In this meticulously designed Japanese-style tiny home, smart cabinet arrangement and multifunctional features come together to maximize every inch of space without sacrificing elegance or comfort. Central to the layout is a rotating cabinet that serves multiple purposes. It functions as a stylish storage unit, a display shelf, and most notably, a privacy divider that separates the communal area from the private sleeping space. Its dynamic design allows the resident to shift the flow and use of the room depending on their needs, instantly transforming open areas into more intimate zones. One standout innovation is the foldable ladder, cleverly attached with a single hang and aligned with parallel to the attic space. When not in use, the ladder folds neatly upward, freeing the area beneath for movement, sitting, or communal activities, highlighting the home's flexibility, minimalist approach to vertical circulation. Complementing this system is a folding bed integrated into the wall cabinet. When stowed away, it frees the room for other use such as a long workspace or meditation zone. When neat, it folds down effortlessly to become a cozy, full-functioning bed, demonstrating the essence of Japanese efficiency and thoughtful simplicity. Altogether, this home is a masterclass in functional compact living, where each cabinet, stair, and wall contributes to a larger system of adaptability, organization, and harmony, perfectly suited for the tiny home lifestyle.